How to get the name of the topmost entry script in Python. I have a utility module in Python that needs to know the name of the application that it is being used in. Effectively, this means the name of the top-level Python script that was invoked to start the application, i.e. the one where _name == main would be true. _name gives me the name of the current Python file, but how do I get the name of the topmost one in the call chain?
Having switched my Google query to how to define the process name from Python versus how to find the top-level script name, I found this overly thorough treatment of the topic. The summary of which is the following.
You could use the inspect module for this. For example, a.py, b.py, running Python b.py prints b.py, running Python a.py prints a.py. However, I'd like to second the suggestion of sys.argv0 as a more sensible and idiomatic suggestion.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.